Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to repair your stick, so more specifically the blade. So first I'm gonna take the tape off the blade.
They do have a timeout. Decide not to use it. Curry, way downtown. Bang! Bang! Oh, what a shot from Curry! With 6.
I'm gonna work with the brand new CCM RBZ Revolution. I'm gonna repair, as you can see, the toe of my blade. It's a little bit chipped. Okay, so place your stick somewhere at where it can't move. It's gonna be easier to you to make the process. So how to fix it and with what? So I have some epoxy glue here that I'm gonna put right on the toe. It's very durable, so it's probably the best thing that you can get to repair your stick. It's available probably in any hardware store near your homes. The thing that's really important is that you have to mix both glue right where you need to. So here's how we do. So, Alright then, so now place the clamp here or anywhere where you put the glue. It has to fix. Yeah, you have to wait 2 hours until the glue is fixing, and after that you may start playing with the stick. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. You may follow me on Instagram, and yeah, all right, see ya.